A control board relay can be stuck open or closed, stopping the blower from running. Relays fail because their contacts or coils degrade from repeated use, voltage spikes, or excess current, and diagnosing this starts with safe, systematic testing. Begin by turning power off at the service switch and circuit breaker and confirm 0 voltage with a multimeter at the board terminals so you can inspect without risk. Visually examine the relay and surrounding components for discoloration, melting, or loose solder joints, which indicate heat damage from overcurrent or arcing. With power restored and the system calling for blower operation, measure coil voltage at the relay coil terminals to see if the control signal is present. If coil voltage is correct and the contacts do not change state, then the relay contacts are likely welded or the coil is open. Use a clamp meter on the blower motor feed to determine if the motor is drawing excessive current, which could have caused contact pitting and relay failure, and compare measured current against the motor nameplate rating written on the motor housing. If the relay is modular and available as a replaceable part, swap it with a known good module, otherwise replace the entire control board. After replacement, recheck motor current and look for intermittent shorts on control wiring that could repeat the failure. Common mistakes are replacing the blower motor without testing the relay first, which wastes time and cost. Check relay operation and coil voltage before condemning the motor. Another error is assuming the relay is new if it looks intact. Internal contact welding or coil partial shorts can be invisible, so use voltage and continuity checks rather than sight alone. A third frequent issue is failing to find the root cause, like overcurrent, from a failing motor or a shorted capacitor. After replacing the relay or board, always measure running current and inspect wiring and capacitors to prevent recurrence. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share experiences and troubleshooting tips. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct conversations with homeowners and peers.